Hello! I'm Tom Varner and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I'm doing a short room review, motel review of Motel 6 in Dale, Indiana. I do kind of like this white fence around the front part of the property. Gives it kind of a little homey feel. And since this motel is not too far off the interstate, although it is in a rural setting, truckers are welcome to stay here. Maybe not overnight, but I mean if they pay for a room overnight, but anyway, there's a parking lot for bigger trucks. Now there is a pool just outside of the doorway here, but it is an outside pool. And there it is. Only bad thing about an outside pool in this part of the country, in the late fall and winter time, it's not available. Now, Dale is a small town in Indiana, about 20 or so miles slightly northeast of Evansville, Indiana. It's just a hop right off of Interstate 64. Lobby area. My room is on the second floor. Room 200. All right, here we are inside the room here at the Motel 6 in Dale, Indiana. This is room 200. The room is kind of sparse. Here's the bathroom. Mirror. Plenty of towels. Now they're cheaper towels, but still plenty of them. Just for myself. Oh, it's a little bit different shower, but nice. And railing. Toilet is clean. It's very important. And got two mirrors there. rest of the room. Telephone, remote, thank you card you can send in after your stay, king size bed, no wall art, another mirror, small desk, mini fridge and microwave. The microwave is clean inside. As is the mini fridge. No actual closet. Do have a closet space. And that is all. Alright, we'll take a look out the window. Ooh. As you can see, we are in a rural area. The bed is firm but comfortable. And even looking along the edges of the baseboards, things look fairly clean. I mean, this is an old room, but it's in fairly good shape. And pretty inexpensive too. Now, while there are wall outlets, there are no outlets with USB chargers. The only place that has them here in this hotel that I'm aware of is downstairs in the business area. There are laundry facilities here. Washer, dryer. You get fabric softeners and laundry detergent there. Sink. We'll head out the stairwells here. A little dirty in the stairwell, but not too bad. You've seen the backside of water, but have you ever seen the backside of the Motel 6 in Dale, Indiana? That is a short look at Motel 6 in Dale, Indiana. Now, I have to preface what I'm about to say with these remarks because I was hesitant to do a review of this facility, not because of anything here at this facility, but the last 3 times I have stayed at a Motel 6, they have been horrendous experiences. Not so this time with the Motel 6 in Dale. Now, the motel is a little older. The facilities, they're not as brand new and whatnot, but it was not a terrible experience. There were no dead bugs in the bathroom or anything like that. There were no stains on the sheets. There was no, wall ceiling crumbling in, walls crumbling in, or anything bad like that, or people getting shot across the street and whatnot, as has happened with the past 3 Motel 6s I have stayed at. It is an
fairly inexpensive motel. So if you're needing a place to stay, if you're traveling on Interstate 64, not too far from Evansville, perhaps you're going to Holiday World to see the boyhood home of Abraham Lincoln, or some other random sites, maybe here in Indiana or in Kentucky, it was a good deal. No, it's not great, but the people here, they've done a good job. They're doing the best they can right now, and it was a well place to sleep for me. Not only that, so I mean, if you're looking for something that has a lot of amenities and you know, top quality, I guess, no, this would not be your place. But if you're just needing an adequate place, a place to rest your head that isn't dirty, that isn't really gritty and grimy, and that you don't have to worry about, well, worry about yourself so much, just knowing that you'll be able to take a rest, check out the Motel 6 in Dale, Indiana. This has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about a future video, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've liked this video or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support the channel by going to Buy Me a Coffee. And there you can make a one-time donation for as low as just $1, or for just $2 more, for $3 as low, you can become a regular monthly member. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.